Okay, Mr. McFly lures. This one's for you. This vise can hold all different size hooks. This one here is a size 26. I might put my glasses on actually, hang on. Size 26 hook, and you just put them in the tips of the jaw. And lock it off. It holds like a demon. Now I'll take that out and we'll put in a tarpon 3/0, and we'll probably have to adjust it slightly for you. A little bit more. And it holds the 3/0 hook really easily. And if you look at the gap in the jaws, that's how much room there is. If you can see that, there you go. And that's with a 3/0, so you can imagine it takes fairly big hooks. Now, this is a bass hook. Just tighten that up a bit. So if this belays your fears, that's good. As you can see, it's a great vise. Center of rotation is pretty cool too. It's pretty good. I mean, you can adjust that so that it sits down further. There you go. That center of rotation is pretty much spot on. And now I'm doing it hard. There you go. Righto. And the same with the 3/0. Adjust it up. Around about there somewhere. Bring it down. There we go. Center of rotation again. Pretty good. You can adjust it to make it right. This is a size 16 mustad. Now, bring that up a bit. Put that in there. We'll have to adjust that again. That's a size 16. B17514. I guess what I'm trying to tell you is it takes all different hooks and locks them down perfectly. Plenty of room at the back. And the rotation is nice and smooth. Okay, I hope this helps.